What's up, guys? Today we're going to run through some of the basics of home handiness and what you need for college. My friends, today we're going to look at what you need in college. If you have to use a drill or a sander in your dorm room, it might be time to contact your RA. It's important to have the right tools for the job so you're not using a coin to screw in a screw. Today I'm going to screw in a loose bed frame. With me today I have a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and Allen wrenches. Most bed frames today use Allen wrenches, but for this situation we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver. The saying goes, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay, so I'm going to start driving the screw and I'm going to spin the screwdriver to the right. It's important to keep the screwdriver in line with the screw for maximum torque, and so I don't strip the screw. Today we're going to fix a clogged sink. For most dorms, the RA will do it for you, but if you move off campus your sophomore year, you're going to need to know how to do this. So most sinks get clogged in the P-trap. So to undo the clog, there's a screw on one side and then a screw on the other side. And keep in mind that there's going to be water that's going to come out of this, as you can see here. That's why I have the bucket underneath my hand. So empty it out, and as you can see in there, it's usually clogged. So I clean it out. And keep in mind, when you clean it out, you don't want to clean it out in this sink because the water will flow right through. So take it to another sink, clean it out, and then you can put it right back on just like it came. And then you put it back on, and like we taught before, it's righty-tighty. And just like that, ta-da, your sink clog is now fixed. Many people think changing a light bulb is super easy. Others are afraid of electricity. First things first, for safety, is you want to make sure that the light is off. Many times the light goes out and people don't realize that the switch is still on. So we turn the light off first, and now we go to the bulb and we twist it lefty-loosey. So now that the bulb is out, we switch it out with the new bulb, and with the new bulb we're going to put the new bulb right back into the socket. We want to ensure that we don't over-tighten the new bulb because we could strip the threads. And just like that, you got your light bulb replaced. Well, my friends, that's about it. That is about all the key topics that you need to know going into college and for life after college. I want you guys to know that YouTube is a valuable resource for any time that you come across a situation where you don't know how to fix something. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop a like, subscribe,